जो बताएगा, only the one student who will raise the hand, I will ask you the explanation. Okay, Harshit, do you want to explain? Okay, let Harshit explain. Very good. Harshit Agarwal, right? Okay. Yes, Harshit, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Yeah, Harshit. Yes, explain, Harshit.
The leaves are fresh after the rain.
Hmm.
Leaves fresh.
Okay. अपने आप explain करो आप, हर्षित, अपने आप. Yourself. Explain yourself. Whatever you know, you can tell me. Okay. Okay, Aliza also want to explain. Good.
Leaves fresh होते हैं. Leaves fresh हो जाती हैं आप रेन के बाद.
Okay, and
The air is cool and clear.
okay.
Air cool हो जाती है और clear हो जाती है. The
Hmm.
sun is shining warm again.
Okay.
Sun shine करता है वापस.
Hmm.
The sparrows hopping in the lane.
Okay.
Sparrow कूदती हैं लेन में.
Okay.
Are big and full of cheer.
Okay.
And that is why we dance in
Play. Very good. And that is why we. And.
क्योंकि हम
Okay,
डांस में
Harshit. Okay, very good. Okay. Or very good, Harshit. Very well tried. Very good. Aliza, you want to explain now? Okay, I will give Aliza one chance. Aliza, you can ask, unmute yourself.
कभी कभी खुद से.
Yes, Aliza. Explain.
And that is why we dance and play. हम लोग डांस करते हैं और खेलते हैं. एंड दैट इज वाई वी सिंग. हम लोग गाना गाते हैं. कॉलिंग आउट इन वॉइसेस गे. बुलाते
Very
हैं.
good.
we will not go to school today. आज हम लोग स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे. और learn anything. और
Very good.
learn करेंगे.
Very good. Next line explain करोगी Aliza. It is a happy thing, I say, to be alive on such a day. Explain करो.
ये एक अच्छा चीज है. हम बोलते हैं alive.
On such a day. उस दिन. Okay.
Okay, मैम.
और कौन explain करना चाहेगा? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Give me your name in the chat box. Kanak Joshi, do you want to explain, Kanak? Okay, let Kanak try. Thank you, Aliza. Okay, last I am giving a chance to Kanak Joshi. Okay. Yes, Kanak, unmute yourself. Good girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Explain me the poem.
The leaves are fresh after the rain. मतलब जो leaves होती हैं वो rain के बाद ऐसे fresh दिखती है जैसे अभी अभी उगी हो.
Very good. And
The air is cool and clear. मतलब जो एयर है वो ऐसी नहीं जैसे मतलब वो एयर में ऐसे नाक में कभी कभार मिट्टी होती है. एकदम क्लियर है और एकदम कूल है. मतलब
and
the sun is shining warm again. मतलब सूरज जो है वो वापस एकदम अच्छे से वो वार्म तरीके से मतलब गरम अच्छा शाइन कर रहा है. और
okay.
The sparrows hopping in the lane. मतलब जो sparrows है वो लेन जो है हमारा उसके अंदर भाग रही है.
लेन क्या होता है बेटा? कनक, आपको पता है लेन क्या होती है? व्हाट इज द लेन?
मैम जो गार्डन टाइप का होता है ना लेन जो पार्क होती है.
ओके ओके. एंड और
the lane are brisk and full of
cheer.
are brisk of full of cheer. मतलब जो
Okay.
वो पूरे वो है बच्चे बच्चे वो बहुत मजे कर रहे हैं मतलब फुल ऑफ चेयर.
Okay, very good. Okay, और कौन explain करेगा? फटाफट, be quick. Second paragraph, एक last chance, one more chance. Anybody else other than Kanak? Kanak has explained. Aliza, Harshit, very beautifully explained. Anybody else? Give your name. Aryan, do you want to explain, Aryan? Aryan, आप explain करना चाहते हो? Yes, Aryan, unmute yourself. Bhavya, anybody, Dimple, anybody, you can raise your hands. Okay, Shanvi wants to explain. Very good. And Aryan, do you want to try? Okay, let Shanvi try. Shanvi wants to explain. I will give a chance to Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi. Unmute yourself, Shanvi. Very good. Explain me now. Second stanza. Shanvi, second stanza.
And that is why we dance and play. हम डांस और खेल रहे हैं.
Okay. And that is why we sing.
और हम गा भी रहे हैं.
Very good. And
calling out in voice gay.
Very good. Try one more line.
हमारी आवाज मम्मा यार.
Very good. Try one.
मम्मा पोती चल रही है मेरे को नहीं आ रहा है. ये मम्मा
Explain this line. We will not go to school today or learn anything. Who can explain this line? Okay. Now can I explain you the poem once? Now it's my turn to explain. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shanvi. Let me unmute Shanvi and then I will explain. Okay. Yeah, Shanvi. Now see. The poem is about April showers. April showers means that when after the winters get over, in the month of April, when there is a little rain, थोड़ी सी बारिश होती है, little rain होती है in the month of April, which marks the beginning of the spring season की beginning बताता है. That is after winter जब spring season आता है, उसकी beginning बताता है. And it says that in the April it start raining a little bit. थोड़ी बहुत बारिश हो जाती है. And it says that after the rain, the leaves of the trees are very fresh. हो जाता है. Suppose if you are feeling very hot right now, आपको बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, ठीक है? And if you go and take a bath, how will you feel? How will you all feel? Fresh. Very good. You will enjoy the water in the bathroom and then you will feel so happy and cool, right? Same. Because these trees can only take a bath in the rain, so that is the rain is like a bath for them. And after the rain, these leaves are fresh and very cool and clear air blows. हवा जो चलती है वो बहुत ठंडी हो जाती है and cool भी होती है और clear भी होती है. And when have you ever noticed जब बारिश हो जाती है और उसके बाद जब sun आता है वो कितना बहुत ब्यूटीफुली शाइन करता है. द सन शाइनिंग warm again. सन शाइन करने लगता है और वो अपनी हीट देने लगता है, क्योंकि जब क्लाउड्स होते हैं और बारिश होती है तब वी डू नॉट गेट एनी, हमें गर्मी नहीं फील होती, वी फील कूल, हमें ठंडा लगता है. मगर जब आफ्टर रेन सनशाइन करता है, वापस से सूरज उगता है, क्लाउड्स हट जाते हैं, तो सन अपनी हीट को अगेन स्प्रेड करता है ऑल ओवर द अर्थ. वो अपनी हीट को स्प्रेड करता है. एंड बिकॉज वो जो कूलनेस होती है उस सनलाइट में भी, in that sunlight sparrow, जो sparrows होती है ना birds, वो क्या करती है, they also want to enjoy this pleasant weather, वो इस अच्छे मौसम को enjoy करना चाहती हैं. So how do they enjoy? They enjoy by hopping. How do they enjoy? By hopping in the lane. Hopping in the lane means जो जहाँ पे भी वो होती हैं, either in the garden or on the road or on a street anywhere, तो वहाँ पे वो hop करती हैं. They feel happy. Suppose if I give you a chance to go on the terrace, how will you do? You will enjoy yourself. आप run करोगे, इधर उधर move करोगे. So these sparrow also hop in the lane. Are brisk and full of cheers. और वो जब वो enjoy कर रही होती है, वो brisk होती है, that is busy. क्योंकि वो क्या busy किस काम में होती है? In enjoying the weather. They are busy in enjoying the weather and full of cheer. Full of cheer means they are full of happiness. क्योंकि उन्हें वो मौसम अच्छा लग रहा होता है. Okay, how many of you remember that on Saturday it rained? Saturday को याद है? In the afternoon time at 4 o'clock in the evening it was raining heavily. आपने देखा था बारिश हो रही थी? Yeah, the weather was also very pleasant at that time. मौसम कितना अच्छा हो रहा था. Everybody was enjoying and feeling so relieved कि oh thank you God इतनी अच्छी रेन के लिए. Now we will not suffer in the heat. और उसके बाद हम सब कितने हैप्पी हो गए थे. We were also enjoying that. So same is the case with the other birds. And also जो after the rain लीव्स फ्रेश हो जाती हैं, एयर कूल हो जाती है, सन भी वापस से शाइन करता है, स्पैरोज हॉप एंड दे आर आल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द केस विद द ट्रीज एंड द नेचुरल थिंग्स एंड आल्सो द स्पैरो. बट व्हाट अबाउट चिल्ड्रन? हाउ डू चिल्ड्रन फील आफ्टर द शावर रेन? अप्रैल में जब शावर रेन होती है उसके बाद बच्चों को कैसा लगता है? वी विल लर्न or come to know about this in the second stanza. I will read the second stanza for you. And that is why we dance and play, and that is why we sing, calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today or learn anything. इसमें ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, now children are showing their happiness after the April shower. जब वो बच्चे अपनी happiness कैसे दिखाते हैं? They are saying that इसीलिए ही हम, that is why मतलब क्योंकि जब बारिश के बाद weather becomes pleasant, we all become so happy that we start dancing, we start playing, we start singing because we are enjoying that weather and because we are happy in that happiness. We start calling out in voices gay, मतलब हम happily ये बोलते हैं कि अब हम स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है, एंड लर्न नथिंग. तो वो ये बात कह करके अपनी हैप्पीनेस दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि आज हम स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे और हम कुछ भी लर्न नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हम घर रहेंगे. वी विल एंजॉय दिस प्लेजेंट वेदर. इज इट क्लियर? सबको समझ में आ गया? आई वांट द एक्सप्लेनेशन इन द सेम वे. ओके ओके, या वी विल प्ले द गेम आल्सो. एंड इट इज हैप्पी थिंग आई से टू बी अलाइव इन ऑन सच अ डे. And then the children are saying कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, it is a happy thing कि उस दिन to be alive means खुश होना, happy होना on such a day, यानी जब बारिश के बाद जब pleasant weather हो जाता है उस दिन हम अपने आप को कितना फील करते हैं? alive फील करते हैं, बिल्कुल जैसे कि आज हमें नया दिन मिला है, नई लाइफ मिली है. we feel ना, like जैसे सैटरडे को what happened after the rain, like we were so happy every day. Morning, afternoon, and then evening comes. We how do we feel? We feel it is a routine of our life. But on Saturday when it was raining, after the rain stopped, we were so happy. हम जिंदा हो गए थे, like हमें और ज्यादा खेलने की इच्छा हो रही थी. हमको पता था that we will go out and play. But that day we were more excited to go out and play after the rain. हमें ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था क्योंकि हम चाह रहे थे नहीं ये तो बहुत अच्छा प्लेजेंट है. We want to go out and play. हर्षित समझ में आ रहा है? होता है ना? So it create a sense of aliveness. ये हमारे लिए ऐसी फीलिंग क्रिएट करता है जब हम और ज्यादा हैप्पी होके उस चीज को करते हैं हमारी डेली रूटीन को. Is it clear to everybody? सबको समझ में आ गया? Everybody, Guru, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Mahima, where are you? Kunal, have you understood, Kunal? Okay, nod your head. If you all have understood, nod your head. I can see everybody. Aaron, have you understood? Kastop, have you understood? Okay. And Jatin, Somil, have you understood? Very good. So, once again, I will tell you in this poem we were describing about the April showers. That is जब बारिश होती है उसके बाद सब कुछ होता है. Leaves fresh, air cool, sun shines more brightly, sparrow hop around and they are happy. Also, children are also happy because they can feel that they can dance, play and sing more well and enjoy it, and they are shouting in a happy voice that they will not go to school today and not learn anything. But my fourth class students are good enough and they are learning the poem, right? Aliza, are you learning, enjoying the poem? Very good. And they are also happy to be alive. Jatin, stop writing in the chat box, beta. Okay, now let's play our game. Shall we play? Okay. Anybody, as in the beginning, I recited the poem. मैंने poem बोली थी अभी in the beginning of the class. Anybody who wants to recite the poem in the same way. कौन बोलना चाहेगा poem को same way में? This is a game. कौन बोलेगा? Who wants to say? Anybody? कोई भी बोल सकता है poem. ऐसे read नहीं करना है. इसको poem को poem की style में बोलना है. Leaves are fresh after the rain and clear. The sparrow hopping in the lane are brisk and full of cheers. Aliza wants to try first. Let's Aliza try. Then Kanak, I want you to also try. Yes, Aliza, unmute yourself. Very good. Yes, Aliza.
The leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrows are hopping in the lane, are brisk and full of cheer. And
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next paragraph. Very good, Aliza. Anybody else? और कौन try करेगा? Okay. Anybody from boys? Anybody boy? Kanak, do you want to try, Kanak? Okay, let Kanak try. Yeah, unmute yourself, Kanak. Start, Kanak. Yeah, second stanza, okay? You are unmuted, Kanak. You can speak. Second stanza.
And that was why we dance and played at, and that was why we sing, calling out in voices gay. We will not go to school today or learn anything.
But I want you to read as a poem. And that is why we dance and play, and that is why we sing, calling out in voices gay. We will not go to school today or learn anything. इस तरह से try करो करना. Try it. Very good.
And that was why we dance and play, and that was why we sing, calling out voice gay. We will not go school today or learn anything.
Very good. Anybody else? Last try. Anyone student I can give the chance. Raise your hand जो read करना चाहता है. Tanisha wants to try. Very good. Yeah, Tanisha, unmute yourself. Very good. Yes, Tanisha, start. Show me your face, beta. Yeah. Very good. Start from the first stanza.
The
Okay.
leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrows hopping in the lane are brisk and full of
Cheer. Very good. Very good, all of you. Anybody else? Mahima. Try करोगी? पहले तो आप सीधी बैठो महिमा. Very good. Now Mahima will try. I want Mahima. She is a very good student of mine. Mahima will try. Let me wait, Mahima. Let me unmute you. Yes, Mahima, unmute yourself and try. Good girl. Second stanza, Mahima. Dimple, look here. Dimples, look here, beta. Yes, start, Mahima. Mahima,
मैम मेरे को समझ तो आगे तो पर पूरा अच्छे से नहीं आया.
आप पहले सीधे तो बैठो बेटा. आप तभी तो समझोगे. पहले अच्छा sit straight. Okay. Now read the second stanza of the poem. Second stanza बोलो. Okay है ना आपके पास? Read it.
मैम पर बुक कौन सी बुक से पढ़ा रहे हो?
वेरी गुड महिमा, वेरी गुड. आपको अभी तक यही नहीं पता कि हम पढ़ क्या रहे हैं. ओके, लेट तनुजा ट्राई टुडे. वेरी गुड. तनुजा विल ट्राई नाउ. ओके, वेरी गुड तनुजा. तनुजा यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. महिमा, हम रीडर की बुक का फर्स्ट चैप्टर अप्रैल शावर पोएम पढ़ रहे थे बेटे. यस तनुजा, ट्राई.
We dance and play, and that is why we sing, calling out in voice day, we will go to school today or learn anything.
Very good, very brilliant, very good, very good.
पागल लड़की आवाज.
And one more student was asking. I will give you a last chance to the student. Who was he?
मुझको.
Shubham Bansal, right? Shubham will try. Shubham Bansal. Okay. Yes, Shubham. Unmute yourself and try. Shubham, unmute yourself. Okay. Shubham, unmute करो.
Try कर रहे.
Yeah, speak Shubham. Now you can speak. First stanza. First stanza. You have to speak.
The leaves are fresh after the rain.
Very
The
good.
air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrow hopping in the lane are frisking and full of cheer.
Very
And
good. Any?
that's why
Very good. Read, beta. Read.
and that why we dance and play, and that is why we singing, calling out voices gay, we will not go to school today or learn anything. It is a happy thing, I say, to be alive on a such day.
Okay, very good. Very good, Shubham Bansal. Now, what we will do is that, yeah. Now, see, I want to tell you one or two important things, okay? First, because it is a poem, not a lesson. So, in the poem, we never call them a paragraph. हम इनको paragraph नहीं कहते, we call them stanza. Is it clear? So there are 3 stanzas in the poem, first, second and the third. Is it clear? The poem is April Showers, and who is the poet? The person who writes a poem, जो person poem लिखता है इसको poet कहते हैं, right? And who is the poet? It's Kim Stephenson. Is it clear? Is it clear? And the word brisk means busy. The word gay means happy, and the word alive means to live again. Alive यानी वापस से जीना. Is it clear to everybody? Okay. Okay. Now everybody open page number 8. Everybody open page number 8.
मैम निकाल लिया.
Okay. I know that आप सबने that you have all of you have completed this exercise. I know you have done, but still we will be discussing the exercise for a second, and then you can write down the answer in the chat box. Okay, then we will move on to the next. Okay, first is the leaves are dashed after the rain.
Fresh.
Fresh, very good. The dash is shining warm again.
Sun.
Very good, Harshit Agarwal. Sun. Harshvardhan, sun. Very good, Harshvardhan. Lakshita, very good. Sun is the right answer. Next is the dash will not go to school. Who will not go to the school today?
Children.
Very good. Children. Okay. The dash are hopping in the lane.
Sparrows.
Very good. Sparrow. Tanuja, right answer. Lakshit, right answer. Very good. Kanak Joshi. Jatin Soni, right answer. But you should write the full word. Sparrow.
मैम अब बी
कौन
वाला
सा महिमा?
मैम अब
बी
बी वाला
Okay, I will ask you. Yeah. Exercise number B. Write the rhyming words of the given words from the poem. Do you know what is a rhyming word? How many of you know what a rhyming word is? सबको आता है? Yeah, the word whose sound is same but the spelling is different. Okay. What is the rhyming word of the word rain? Rain का rhyming word poem में क्या है?
again
Again. Very good. Mahima, you are active now. Next is clear.
cheer
Right, okay. Write down in the chat box. Mahima, write down in the chat box. Okay. Play.
Today.
Play. Play is gay. You can also write gay. Okay. Today, gay. Next is sing. Anything. Very good. Right answer. Gay.
मैम रनिंग
Gay ka.
Say.
Okay. Very good. Right answer. And what of say?
डे
Very good. Let's discuss the question and answers. Okay, fine, all of you. Very good. Everybody is enjoying. Okay, what do the leaves look like after the rain?
The leaves look
Look fresh after the rain.
the rain.
Okay, fresh is the right answer. You can write down in the chat box also, everybody. Very good. Mitul, right answer. Fresh. Anybody else want to write in the chat box? Kaustubh, do you want to write in the chat box? Very good, Lakshita. Next is
After the rain.
write 2 sentences about the sparrow. You can write 2 sentences about the sparrow.
The sparrows hopping in the lane.
The sparrows are hopping
good.
in the lane and baked and full of cheese.
Very good. Harshvardhan, right answer. Lakshita, right answer. Shanvi, very good. Right answer. Hopping in the lane and they are full of cheer and busy. Very good.
मैम
Okay. What?
मैम आप थर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछो.
Next is that is why we dance and play. Who are we in the sentence?
We are
We are children.
watching
Okay, right answer.
After watching the rain is seen.
children.
Why do they want to sing? Yeah, why do they want to sing and play? Tanuja, give the answer. वो sing और play क्यों करना चाहते हैं?
Because
Yeah, Aryan, I will unmute you. Just a second. Yes, Aryan, you can unmute yourself now. Do you want to give the answer, Aryan? Aryan, do you want to now give the answer? You can speak, Aryan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, class is not for few students, for all students. He is raising his hand for long time and you're not asking him. It's
Who,
wrong,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Who?
Ma'am, Aryan.
Yeah, ma'am,
And you
I
are
unmuted him, and I have asked him to
Ma'am,
give the answer.
that students, The students
Ma'am.
which are unmuted, they are remain unmuted only. They are not
No,
muted again.
ma'am.
This is wrong, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am listening.
Ma'am, I gave a
Ma'am,
chance
I am
to
listening.
everybody.
No, ma'am,
It is
I
not
am
so, ma'am.
listening. Ma'am,
I
am
gave a chance to
listening.
him. Okay, now, ma'am, please
Ma'am,
allow
he-
him to give the answer. Please, will
But
you
ma'am,
allow him to
then,
give the answer?
why are you doing this? If you are unmuting children, mute again them. Ma'am. They are only giving answer and others are raising hand.
Many
This is wrong,
students
ma'am.
are,
You are
ma'am,
doing wrong.
many students are also writing in the chat box also. Don't worry. I call out the name of every student. It is not so that they are not doing so, ma'am. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
but
please would you allow him? Okay, ma'am, I will take it as a note, but please allow him to answer right now.
Acha. That is why we dance and play. Who are we?
Be loud, Aryan. Be loud. All of you be loud. Aryan, be loud and give the answer. Why do you want to sing and play? Aryan, I cannot hear your voice. Aryan, do you want to give the answer? Time is getting over.
ma'am.
Yeah, give the
We
answer, Aryan.
are children after watching the rainy season walking and
Okay, that is after we want to sing and play, after the rain. Aryan, I cannot hear you. Your voice is not clear.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you can speak, Aryan.
After watching the rainy scene,
Okay, right answer.
the children want to sing and play.
Yeah, after watching the raining scene, they feel happy and they are enjoying the weather, the pleasant weather, so they want to sing and play. Right answer, Aryan. Okay, thank you all of you. We'll continue our class in the next, okay? Good day, all of you. You can leave now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you all of you.
मम्मी क्लास खत्म हो गई। हाँ।
क्या करवाया मैडम ने आज रिवीजन चला गेट को कह रहा है चला बस 2 मिनट इसको पकड़ ले
मैम आ गई क्या?